Sizzling chicken stir-fry meets hearty brown rice. Welcome to the world of flavors where today, we're diving into a dish that's both delicious and nutritious, chicken stir-fry with brown rice. Imagine tender pieces of chicken, sizzling in a pan, infused with the vibrant colors and crisp textures of fresh vegetables. Each ingredient is carefully selected to bring out a symphony of tastes, all coming together over a bed of wholesome brown rice. Not only is this meal a feast for the eyes, but it's also packed with essential nutrients, perfect for fueling your body. With every bite, you'll discover a blend of spices and sauces that elevate the natural flavors, making each mouthful a delightful experience. This isn't just cooking, it's an adventure in your kitchen, transforming simple ingredients into a masterpiece that anyone can create. Join us as we walk you through each step, ensuring your chicken stir-fry with brown rice is not just a meal, but a journey to savor.